Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable dark mode on RedNote account. So if you want to turn on dark mode on your RedNote account, then here's a video for you. So at the end of this, you'll be able to turn on or turn off dark mode on the RedNote application on your Android as well as on your iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable dark mode on RedNote, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the RedNote application on your phone. Then once open the RedNote application, sign into your account, and after that, go ahead and click on me at the bottom right. Once you selected me at the bottom right, click on the settings just beside edit profile. And now once you selected settings, locate and click on general settings. On the general settings page, locate display and then should see dark mode. Then go ahead and click on that. Now, once you selected dark mode, you should see here that says dark mode, use device settings. So if your device is on light mode, the RedNote application will be on light mode. Now to set dark mode or enable dark mode on the RedNote app, go ahead and turn this on. And then you should see instantly that the RedNote application will change to dark mode. You see that? So that's exactly how to enable or turn on dark mode on RedNote. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.